You are preparing food for a business dinner and you want to ask for a raise of your salary. Your big boss, Angelo, and some other colleagues from your company will join you. Now, Angelo is a gourmet who loves to eat and always enjoys a dinner with colleagues. The problem is that he gets very angry about bad food. The fish you plan to prepare takes exactly 15 minutes to be ready. Unfortunately, your watch is broken and everything you have left are 2 hourglasses. One contains 7 minutes of sand and the other one 11 minutes. How can you accurately time 15 minutes to prepare the perfect meal and keep your boss, Angelo, happy? Pause the video here to have more time to think. I will solve the riddle for you in 3, 2, 1. For the best and easiest way to time exactly 15 minutes, you need to prepare your timers in a way that there are 4 minutes left in the 7 minutes timer. To do that, start both timers. When the 7-minute timer runs out, turn the 11 minutes timer sideways. In there are 4 minutes left now. Then start both timers again. Now, when the 4 minutes from the 11 minutes timer have run out, turn the 7 minutes timer sideways. It contains 4 minutes of sand now. All you have to do now is easy. Start one of the timers and as soon as it is empty, flip the other one and let it run out too. That way you will be able to satisfy your fat boss and increase the chances to finally get the raise of salary you wished for. I hope you enjoyed the tricky riddle and see you next time.